Alright guys, in today's video we're going to quickly look at the simulation reset, or how to reset the simulation for the actual NC CAM feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. Now, when it comes to the actual simulation process, this can get rather tricky at times because there's a few things to keep in mind while using it, which could frustrate you if you're not aware of it. So we will be trying to cover all of it, so you don't run into any problems where you're thinking the feature is perhaps broken or otherwise something's wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the CAM with our project open and then hit the NC button. Now let's say something's happening and you want to pause it. Perhaps let's say we pause it after the cube. You can pause it here, and then what happens is if you want to resume it, you're going to have to click this button again, restart. But let's say you want to kick it back to the center again, or the beginning, my apologies, then you can simply hit this button next to it, and then it will restart our simulation for you. So then we can go rewatch. So let's say you got distracted, you missed something, or you want to really refine something, you want to make sure. You'll see it is grayed out by default. So in order to have it working, you have to either have your video play all the way through, as I'll show you now. We right here by the end. Then we can see we can reset it. Or what will happen is you'll have to actually pause your video. Then it'll give us the option. Wait, it says shoot. I'm not sure why it's not. Maybe it's because we haven't done the... Okay, well now it's not giving us the option. Normally it gives you an option, times it doesn't. So then, like I said, it can be frustrating, but in this case, you know, okay, now I must run it all the way through. Then we can reset the actual playback. Which is strange. I was surprised that you could reset it through the play, because I'm actually used to it not being able to. So I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe that is a bit of a glitch. But yeah, in general, like I said, if you want to reset it, you'll see it's grayed out until the video is done. So keep that in mind if you're going to be actually using it. But yeah, otherwise that is it on resetting your actual simulation. It's rather simple, but it can be confusing if it happens like it happened now with me, where it's grayed out even though you've paused it. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.